Hello, welcome to T.W White Sons. Thank you for taking the time to visit our website and browse our used approved Mazdas. I wanted to take a couple of moments just to tell you about this exceptionally rare and unique CX-3 that we've just taken in as part exchange. So it's a 2015 on a 65. Would have been one of the very first CX-3s to be registered, and it was in late 2015 that the model was originally launched. What makes this car particularly rare is it's the 150 brake horsepower all-wheel drive model. Now, buying pattern of this car was heavily in favour of the 2-litre 120 brake horsepower two-wheel drive model. So particularly rare, particularly difficult to find these all-wheel drive models. You may have also noticed just so far from the walk-round is that there's some additional parts to the bodywork. So we've got what's called the Aero kit, which would have been something that the first customer added to this car. You have the under garnish on the rear bumper, this additional black trim that's added to the rear spoiler. We've also got these Soul Red accents on the door skirt, and I believe I missed the one at the front of the car. Just on both corners you've got this these splitters here. I'll show you on the other side as well. Condition-wise, the car is absolutely lovely. It's been really well looked after. It is two owners, both private owners. Originally supplied from Mazda in Somerset. The customer who part exchanged it with us actually went for a CX-3, one of our demonstrator cars. And that's how we've ended up coming into contact with this vehicle. So, it's an all-wheel drive. It's got the Aero kit. Let me show you some other goodies that you've got in here. So, apologies, a little bit messy here, but first of all, we have this very nice heavy-duty durable rubber boot mat to keep the boot nice and clean. You also have a detachable Mazda approved tow bar. It doesn't stop there. Just have to lift up the boot floor. We have a 3/4 size spare wheel. Now, as standard, Mazdas come with one of these, which is a compression kit with the tyre gel that you can inject through the valve. Some customers did opt to go for the Space Saver option, which is sort of a £400 kit you could buy from the parts team. But the previous customer who owned this car has got a 3/4 size spare wheel. The benefits of that are there are no speed restrictions on this, whereas with a Space Saver wheel, it's recommended you don't exceed 50 miles an hour. It comes fully equipped with the jack and everything, all complete. So a very rare find to have in one of these cars. Now, I'll show you the interior, which is just as nice as the outside of the car. So we have what's called sort of door sill step plates here, which have the CX-3 logo in them. Not only do they look very stylish, but also this particular bit is quite prone to getting scuffs from where people drag their feet in and out when getting in and out of the car. So it does also offer an element of protection against that. And to move on to the interior of the car, we have the very nice stone leather upholstery, which again would have been an option that the first customer who owned this car would have added when they bought the car brand new. So this part of the seat here is cream leather, and the insert here is actually like a suede Alcantara type material, which again is not only very durable, but it looks quite nice too. Just show you in the back of the car, which I'll be honest, I don't think has ever really been sat in. It's really well kept, really well looked after. May not be able to see that, but it's fully kitted out in the back and in the front with Mazda's CX-3 floor mats. And just jump in, I've got a key in my pocket, so just start the engine. Show you the mileage. So for a 2015 5-year-old car, it's only done 27,164 miles. Just to highlight a couple of other bits that come with this car. So it is the Sport Nav trim, the top of the range model of this age. With that you get heated seats, climate control, air conditioning. It was also one of the very first cars that featured the heads-up display, so I don't know if you can see you've got your speed on there. And as with most sport models in the range that Mazda offer, it does come with the premium Bose sound system. You might have seen in the boot the subwoofer as well, the car gets. So it's got an awful lot of equipment and the additional the bits and bobs that the previous customers have added. So there we go. Really, really nice car. 2 owners in total. Immaculate condition. It's got a full service history with Mazda. It's going on the forecourt for £12,450, which offers fantastic value for money, given everything you get included with the vehicle. On top of that is a 12-month Mazda approved warranty as well. The car is available to view and test drive at T.W White Sons, Bookham. If you'd like to arrange time to come and see the car, please call us on 01372 452 701.